Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to teach you maths. In maths, we will continue with lesson number 4, that is understanding multiplication. Okay, now in understanding multiplication, I am going to teach you two topics. The first one is skip counting. Okay, let's start with skip counting, children. Skip counting is somewhat similar to multiplication fact. Okay, so have a look on the board. See children, I have drawn something on the board and I've also drawn a frog over here, and here are some numbers written. Okay, so children, this frog was on number 0. Okay, and now he has reached number 10. To reach number 10, he has jumped. Okay, now let's see how many times he has jumped to reach number 10. Okay, so he was over here on number 0. He jumped and he reached number 2. Then from 2 he jumped, he reached number 4. From 4 he jumped, he reached number 6. From 6 he jumped, he reached number 8. And from 8 he jumped, he reached number 10. Let's see how many times he has jumped. This makes the first time. This makes the second time. This makes the third time. This makes the fourth time. And this makes the fifth time. So how many times he has jumped, children? 5 times. So he has jumped five times. Now, in each time, he has taken how many steps? Let's see. He was here. This is the first step. And this is the second steps. So, in the first time, he took 2 steps. Okay. Now, the second time. 1, 2. Again, he took 2 steps. Okay, 1, 2. Again he took 2 steps. Now 1, 2. Again he took 2 steps. Again 1, 2. Again he took 2 steps. So children, each time this frog has taken 2 steps. See, 0 to 1, this is the first step. 1 to 2, this is the second step. So this makes 2 steps. In the same way, 2 to 3, this is the first step, and 3 to 4, this is the second step. So each time he has taken 2 steps. Okay, so 5 times 2 means what, children? I told you in multiplication fact, when it is given times, so it means what sign will come? Into sign. Okay, so 5 times 2 means 5 into 2. Okay, so you will get to know the total number of steps this frog has jumped. Okay, so what is 5 twos are? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, so this makes 10 children. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so instead of counting so many times, you just did 5 times 2. Okay, so this is like multiplication fact only. Okay, so what do you get to know? That each time the frog has skipped 2 steps. Okay, so this is called skip counting by 2. Okay, now let's see over here. Have a look over here. Now children, the frog was over here on 0. He has reached 12. Okay, so let's see how many times he has jumped to reach 12. This is the first time he has jumped. This is the second time he has jumped. See, I am rubbing out this part so that you can see clearly. Okay. Have a look once more. See, this is the first time he has jumped. This is the second time he has jumped. This is the third time he has jumped. And this is the fourth time he has jumped. Right? So, how many times he has jumped? 4 times. Okay? He has jumped 4 times. Now, in each time he has taken how many steps? Let's count the steps. So, this is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. Okay, first, second, third. It means total 3 steps. He has taken total 3 steps. Okay, again, now he is here. Let's see how many steps he has taken. 3 to 4 is the first step, 4 to 5 is the second step, 5 to 6 is the third step. It means 3 steps. Now from here, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Again 3 steps. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Again 3 steps. So this frog has taken 3 steps each time. Okay. So 4 times 3. What is written over here? 4 times 3. When 4 times 3 is written, it means you have to do 4 into 3. I have rubbed it out because I am having no place. Okay. So 4 into 3. Now what is 4 3s are? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So total this frog has taken 12 steps to reach over here. Okay. So this is like multiplication fact only, children. Now this time the frog has skipped 3 steps. Okay. So this is called skip counting by 3. Okay. I hope you have understood nicely. In the same way we can do skip counting by 4 and skip counting by 5 also. Understood? Now let's move towards the next topic. Now children, let's start with the next topic. Okay, that is multiply. Now this is very simple and some of you might be knowing also how to do it. Okay, so here some sums are written on the board. You have to do simple multiplication. See, this is ones place, this is tens place. A number is written up and a number is written down. And which sign is given? This is multiplication sign. When this sign is given, it means you have to multiply. Now, the number which is written down. What is written down? 2 is written down. And what is written up? 3 is written up. Okay. So the number which is written down, you have to read the table of that number. Okay. And where you have to stop? You have to stop at the number which is given up. It means you have to do 2 3s are. Okay. Multiplication sign is given here. 2 is given down. 3 is given up. So you have to do 2 3s are. It means you will read the table of, you will say the table of 2. Okay. So start saying the table of 2. And where you will stop? You will stop on 3. So let's start. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So what you will write over here? 6. Now 6 is a single digit number. So it will come under ones place and tens place will be left like this only. Nothing has to be done. Okay. So you just did 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now have a look over here. Again multiplication sign is given. It means you have to multiply. Okay. So 5 is given down and 6 is given up. So what you have to do? It means 5 6 are or 5 into 6 you have to do. Okay, so you will say the table of 5 and you will stop on what, children? On 6. So start saying the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. Now this is a 2-digit number. 30 is a 2-digit number. So what you will do? This is tens place, this is ones place. Okay, so 0 is at ones place, so it will go over here under ones place, and 3 is at tens place, so 3 will go under tens place. So you will write 30 like this. Okay, now let's see further. Now what is given down? 3 is given down, right? And what is given up? 5 is given up. So you will say the table of 3, you will stop on 5. Okay, so start saying the table of 3 and stop on 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Okay, so what you have got? You have got 15. Now 15 is also a 2-digit number. It means this is tens place, this is ones place. So 5 is at ones place, so it will go over here. Now 1 is at tens place, so it will go over here. So in this way you have to write. Okay. So children, this is simple multiplication. So I am going to give you some sums for practice. Okay. I hope you have understood this much nicely. Thank you.